Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today's topic name is SCP in Java. The SCP in Java, the full form of SCP is string constant full, or it is also called as string literal full. So let's see what is SCP. The constant full in Java, it is most important part. There is a number of concept it related to string. The string pooling concept is one of them. The string pooling concept is the Java is important in this important. So let's see what is the string pool. What is the string pool? The string pool is the nothing but the storage area in Java heap where string literal stores storage a string literal store. uh, in that it is also known as string intern pool or a string constant pool. It is just like a object location. It is empty and uh, privately maintained by the Java string class. Whenever we create object a string that occupies some space in the heap memory, the creating a number of string many increases cost and memory to which may reduce the performance of performance also. So the JVM performs some step during the initialization of string literal that increase the performance and the decrease of memory load. To decrease the number of string object created in the JVM, this string class keep pool of the string. The string constant pool is the separate place in the heap memory. Where the value of all the string which are defined in the program are stored. Then when we declare the string of an object type, string is created in the stack. When an instance with value of the string it created the in the heap. One standard assignment of the value of the string variable. The variable is allocated stack while the value is stored in the heap. Is the string constant pool. Then we create string by using two way. First is by using string literal and second is by using string constant, by using new keyword. When we create string by using string literal, that time one object are created and that is stored in SCP. And when we create object by using the new keyword, that is stored in heap memory. And that time two objects are created. One is stored in SCP and another is stored in heap memory. Heap memory. Then we see in heap memory, when we create object by using string literal, that object stored in SCP. So it make memory more efficient because we don't need to create object again. So it make memory more efficient. Then it is stored in the string constant pool area in the heap. The a pointer point to the value stored in the heap memory from the object in the stack. uh, Means we create object by using string literal. The example of string s1 is equal to string s1 is equal to in double parenthesis hello, after that semicolon. Then next is by using new keyword. For example, s2 is equal to, we write a new keyword, after that we write string, and then in double parenthesis uh, or double quote, and double quote we write, for example, hello, and after semicolon. So string constant pool is a spatial area in which string objects are created. So that's about SCP. Thank you.